Welcome to Snacking in Science. Today we will be explaining the phases of the moon using Oreos. Before we eat, let's go over a few things. First of all, the Earth rotates on an axis around the Sun. The moon rotates around the Earth. The Sun illuminates half the moon at all times, but dependent upon the moon's position, we may see the lit portion, shadowed portion, or both. The lunar phases are caused by the changing positions of the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun as the Moon orbits the Earth. Now it's time to break out the Oreos. Here we have a diagram of the lunar phases with our favorite snack. The new moon occurs when the moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun. The three objects are in alignment. The back side of the moon is lit by the Sun, and that is the part we can see, so the moon appears dark. A full moon is caused when the Earth, Moon, and Sun are in alignment, but the moon is on the opposite side of the Earth. The entire sunlit portion faces us, and the shadow is hidden. The moon appears fully lit. The first quarter and third quarter, or half moons, occur when the moon is lit at a 90-degree angle to the Earth and Sun. We see exactly half of the moon illuminated and half in shadow. These are the first four main phases. There are four more moon phases left to cover. These lie between the main phases. Four words are important for this phase. Crescent is when the moon is less than half illuminated. Gibbous is when the moon is more than half illuminated. Waxing is when the moon is growing in size, and waning is when the moon is shrinking in size. A waxing crescent appears after the new moon when the sunlit portion is growing, but it is less than halfway lit. After the first quarter, the sunlit portion is still increasing but is more than halfway lit. This is a waxing gibbous. After a full moon, the light decreases. A waning gibbous comes next. Following the third quarter is a waning crescent, which shrinks until the light is gone, making a new moon. We hope you had fun learning the phases of the moon with Snacking in Science.